from the Army lapel pins.
Oh, okay.
The teardrop.
Wow.
What year is this?
1956.
56. You're going to be on YouTube.
Well, we've been there, but we'll
I'm
be
sure.
on again.
I'm sure.
Here's Ben Franklin. He's the founder of the First Associators, the oldest military organization in the United States. And the unit my husband belonged to was one of the descendant units.
Oh, cool.
The first one, First Associators 111. Here's his first sergeant stripes. He wore those about 3 years during his career. Fallen comrade symbol. The information on the dog tags is my husband's uncle. He was killed in the Korean conflict in 1953.
My dad was in the Marines in the Korean War.
Yep.
He doesn't talk about a whole lot about it.
No, they don't. These are his unit patches, originally from Pennsylvania.
What part of South Carolina are you from?
Conway.
Where that's at.
And that's a message we don't want people to forget,
Right.
or
That's right.
remind them, or tell them to teach their children, you know. We just aren't.
Now, where's Conway at?
It's about 18 miles northwest of Myrtle Beach.
Okay. My dad used to have property in Westminster, not too far from Clemson area.
Okay.
Seneca. Not too far from Greenville, that area.
So my husband
Real.
did 39 years in the military.
Oh, was he?
Yeah.
What was he in the Army?
Army.
Yeah.
And he wanted
I
to
worked for
do-
Raytheon for 25 years till I retired, so we
when
made a
he
bunch of the radios and all the stuff you see in the war, all the satellites, all the antennas on the Humvees, we did all that.
He wanted to do something when he retired to honor his fellow veterans.
Nice.
So it's all branches of the service, as you can see by the decals on the
Yep.
The artist has 360 hours in the airbrushing.
Wow. Perfect. Beautiful. Do you drive this much?
Not too much.
I wouldn't either. I wouldn't want to get...
No. Usually it's from the trailer to whatever
Right.
venue we're going to.
I would never take it to a mall because you're going to get somebody that's going to, you know, people don't care anymore. They do it on purpose.
We showed my niece and her family, and the 6-year-old just couldn't keep her hands off of it.
Not bad. Well, thank you very much. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I know that's
Yes.
car shower's biggest nightmare.
Yes, yes.